Home Remedies presents
Pineapple water recipe to treat inflammation, joint pain and swelling. Hi guys, good day to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I'm Rabia and today's video I'm doing on the request of many of my viewers asking remedy for inflammation. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information, and without any more wait, let's start. Basically in today's video I will tell you the recipe on how to make pineapple water. Pineapple is a delicious fruit. It contains bromelain, an enzyme that has anti-inflammatory properties. Bromelain helps the body get rid of toxins by fighting off inflammation, which impacts all the tissues and organs in the body. When combined with phenol, which gives even better flavor, helps with soothing the digestive system. Here's how to prepare the water. Ingredients: half a cup of pineapple pieces, 8 cups of hot water, 1 tablespoon fennel seeds. How to prepare: take the half cup of pineapple pieces and then add the chunks into hot water. Leave it like so until cooled and then add the fennel seeds. Put the mixture in dark room overnight. The next day strain the liquid and drink instead of water. Chew the seeds for optimal results. This is an amazing remedy to get rid of any sort of inflammation, so I want everybody to try it.
If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.